Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to import existing localization information into a FieldGenius for Android project. So what I did before the video started was I had a project, I created a localization file with that project, and what I'm going to do is I want to bring in these localization parameters into my new project so that my localization still holds true. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to open up my project data menu here and select GNSS local transformation. And then my second option here, select from existing project. That's going to allow me to bring in this already created localization file. So if I select that option here, it's going to bring up all my available localization files in my FieldGenius for Android folder. And in this case, I have this localization import, conveniently named like the title of this video. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that. It's going to bring it in, and you can see here that I've brought in some factors. So earlier I created this fictitious transformation. You can see that the factors are a bit ridiculous, but that is all right. For the point of this video, that is how you bring in an existing localization file. So if you've created it on another project and you need it in a new project, this is how you can transfer over that localization. But for now, that is everything in today's video. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.